Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and today I have another hangover cure for you. This one is a little less aggressive than the previous remedy and there is no shaking required. This cure is apparently especially soothing for hot weather hangovers. So think of this remedy as a delicate hybrid between the Remus Gin Fizz and the Pompier cocktail. If you haven't watched those yet, go check them out. The vibes for this drink is completely different from the previous drinks that I've mentioned earlier. Today's cure is called Gin and Coconut Ice with Seltzer. It's basically exactly what the name describes. Kinda wish it had a cooler name, like Brain Freeze, AC, cause you know it's like cooling. Never mind. But anyway, gin seems to be quite popular with old-time remedies. And coconut water gives you a nice dose of potassium and hydration. Sounds good to me. So without further ado, let's craft our gin and coconut ice with seltzer. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need some coconut water ice cubes, 2 ounces botanical gin, 1 ounce of simple syrup, 2 drops of aromatic bitters, 1.5 ounces of seltzer, and a sprig of basil for garnish. Alright, so first grab a tall glass. Fill it up with coconut water ice cubes. Pour in gin, as well as simple syrup. Add a few drops of bitters, and top off with seltzer. Lastly, gently crush your basil to release the aromas and garnish your drink. And ta-da! Gin and coconut ice with seltzer is complete! Taste test time! Alright, cheers! This is awesome. So you get a lot of gin flavor in this, but you don't get that alcoholic burn. The gin and the coconut water are very well balanced, so none of them overpower the other, but you can still taste both of them. It's a little sweet right now, but I'm pretty sure once the coconut ice cubes start melting, this will balance out perfectly. It's so refreshing. I think this one actually works really well as a hot weather refresher. And I think I might actually be making this as a regular cocktail. I love that nutty, creamy flavor that you get from the coconut. And you also get the herbal and botanical aspects of the gin. It's so simple, but it's so tasty. That's how you know you have a good cocktail. If I'm ever hungover again, or the weather is just like really insanely hot, this is what I'm going to make. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that this cure will help you keep your head chilled out this summer. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below. And until then, stay magical.